Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard ice cream. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, including heavy cream, whole milk, sugar, and your chosen flavorings. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been in the freezer for a full 24 hours to ensure it's completely frozen. Next, combine your milk, sugar, and about 1/4 of the cream in a saucepan, heating gently until the sugar fully dissolves. Once your sugar is dissolved, remove the mixture from the heat and stir in the remaining cold heavy cream. It's crucial to chill this entire base thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight. A well-chilled base churns much better. After chilling, pour the cold base into your pre-frozen ice cream maker and churn for 20 to 30 minutes until it resembles soft-serve ice cream. After churning, your ice cream will be soft, similar to a thick milkshake. To achieve that classic hard ice cream texture, transfer it to an airtight container. Press a piece of plastic wrapped directly onto the surface of the ice cream to minimize air exposure and prevent the formation of icy crystals. Then, place the container in the coldest part of your freezer for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or even overnight, for the best results. When you're ready to enjoy your delicious hard ice cream, let it sit out at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften slightly, making it easier to scoop. For storage, keep any leftovers in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks to maintain its quality. And speaking of enhancing your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to bring your space to life with music and smart features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.